Good morning, dear student. Today we will discuss about Newton's law of viscosity. Before starting Newton's law of viscosity, first we will understand what is viscosity. Viscosity is a property that represents the internal resistance of a fluid to motion. What is the meaning of that? It means suppose there is a fluid. So fluid is made by various layers, and these various layers develop the internal resistance to each other, which affect its flow. According to Newton's law of viscosity, suppose there is a surface and above the surface there is a fluid which is in a flowing condition. So according to Newton's law of viscosity, the lower layer will move in the slow speed, and upper layer will go at the high speed. What is the meaning of that? It means these are, as I already told you, fluid is made by various layers of fluid, and each layer gives resistance to each other. So because of these resistance, it happens that lower layer has a low speed of flowing, and increasingly if we will go to the upper layer, so upper layer will move fast. So this is the velocity gradient. What is velocity gradient? It is delta u upon delta y. Y is the distance from the surface from the upward direction, and delta u is the change in velocity. Move ahead. Suppose this is the surface, and from the upper side y is increasing, distance is increasing of the layer upper side, and the u is also increasing. This is the graphical representation of velocity gradient. I again repeat, dy is the change in distance from the surface, lower surface, and du is the change in velocity of moving layer of the fluid. So finally, what is Newton's law of viscosity? According to Newton's law of viscosity, shear stress acts tangentially to the surface. This is the area. So we can see here, this is the various layer of fluid, force and area. So according to Newton's law of viscosity, tau is the shear stress. It is shear force upon tangential area. Newton's law of viscosity states that shear stress is directly proportional to the velocity gradient. The student will direct write in the exam Newton's law of viscosity. Shear stress is directly proportional to the velocity gradient. Tau is the shear stress, du is the change in the velocity, and dy is the distance. So finally du upon dy is the velocity gradient. I again repeat, what is du upon dy? Du upon dy is the velocity gradient. What it means? It means as we will go far from the surface, the layer of fluid will move fast. So if we remove this proportional sign, so a new constant comes which is called coefficient of viscosity. So finally, in exam, if a question comes, what is Newton's law of viscosity? So you have to write this definition: shear stress is directly proportional to the velocity gradient, and you have to write this formula, then equal to and this constant will come, and you have to explain each terms. What is du upon dy? Du upon dy is the velocity gradient. What is tau? Tau is the shear stress, and mu is the coefficient of viscosity. And you have to also draw this diagram because it shows velocity gradient. You can also draw this diagram. This diagram shows layer speed. Big arrow means large speed of the layer. So this is for today. Thank you.